Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this ETF report for QQQ. The report was first published on our website Monday, September 26, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell QQQ? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since September 26, 2022, our system ranks the QQQ ETF as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -0.768. Over the next few days we will see how this evaluation performs. In our daily updates for QQQ, our last headline reads, Stronger technical forecast for QQQ ETF price after Monday trading. The QQQ ETF price fell by -0.41% on the last day, Monday, September 26, 2022, from $275.51 to $274.37. It has now fallen 6 days in a row. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 2.17% from a day low at $273.56 to a day high of $279.49. The price has fallen in 8 of the last 10 days and is down by -11.7% for this period. Volume fell on the last day along with the ETF, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the ETF. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -4 million shares and in total, 70 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $19.23 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $408.71, and the lowest price was $269.28. Right now the price is 32.87%, or $134.34, below 52-week high at $408.71, which also is all-time high for the ETF. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 1.1% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 1.1% and 23.34%. The 12-month trend indicates a -26.07% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -35.23% and -13.76%. This equals a price between $177.72 and $236.61 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for QQQ. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the ETF. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The QQQ ETF holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $283.23 and $305.96. A breakup above any of these levels will issue buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, August 15, 2022, and so far it has fallen -17.62%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 30 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 1 day ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 22 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 20 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a sell signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 11 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 14 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for QQQ. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and given the right condition the ETF may perform very badly in the next couple of days. This ETF has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the ETF moved $5.93 between high and low, or 2.17%. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 2.24%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for QQQ. The price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. QQQ currently has a price-earning ratio of 3.65. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, QQQ meets first resistance at $280.28. If you do not hold QQQ shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. The stock does not have any support from accumulate volume below and may therefore fall very hard and fast given the right conditions. Caution is warned, and you should not place any bet unless you're a skilled trader and know how to play these cases. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. Our recommended stop loss is $257.08, minus 6.30%. This ETF has medium daily movements, and this gives medium risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 29 days ago. Is QQQ ETF a buy? QQQ holds several negative signals, and this should be a sell candidate, but due to the general chance for a turnaround situation, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a sell to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Tuesday 27th, we expect QQQ to open up $1.44 and start trading at $275.81. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.